If you're encountering the application hang detected error in Fortnite, it usually means there's an issue preventing the game from loading properly or causing it to freeze during play. Here are a few things you can try to fix the issue. 1. Restart the game and your PC. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up temporary issues with the game or system. Close Fortnite completely and restart your computer. After restarting, launch Fortnite again and see if the error persists. 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupt graphics drivers can cause problems with games. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA users, use GeForce Experience to check for updates. For AMD users, use AMD Radeon software. For Intel users, check updates via Intel Driver and Support Assistant. 3. Check for Windows updates. Ensure your Windows operating system is up to date, as updates can fix bugs that interfere with games. Go to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Windows Update. Install any available updates and restart your PC. 4. Check for background processes. Background processes can take up system resources and cause the game to hang. Open Task Manager, Control+Shift+ESC. Look for unnecessary programs using CPU or memory and end those tasks. Try playing Fortnite again after closing those processes. Check for software conflicts. Some software like antivirus programs or overlays can interfere with Fortnite. Temporarily disable your antivirus or any third-party programs like Discord overlay or GeForce Experience overlay and see if it resolves the issue. Let me know if any of these steps work or if you need further assistance.